I can't believe that we're already at week 6 this week, and so I'm just going to do a quick video. I've seen the assignments from week 5, and everything looks great. You're doing a great job, and I appreciate it. Hopefully you're working with your action research project. I would imagine you've done some implementation or you're getting ready to and collecting data, knowing that I guess we have 3 weeks left in the course at this point in time, although you'll still be able to collect some data even if it's in between times, but knowing that the next course will be where we'll start writing it. This week you're going to watch a short video clip. It's kind of funny. Hopefully it'll give you a little laugh. It's not too thought-provoking, and really I just want you to answer those questions through a blog, which I've done on Weebly this week. Since we're talking about blogging, I wanted to make sure that we were modeling that. Then you're going to write me a short 2-page paper just answering the questions in the blogging assignment. So you are just going to be answering the questions in your paper. Just how would you implement a blog in your classroom? So thinking about an assignment you might be able to do, and then go ahead and create the other part of the assignment is to create a blog somewhere, and go ahead and create it for that assignment that you're thinking about. And if you implement, that's awesome. If you get to show us or tell us how it implemented, that works great. If not, make sure it does dual duty. I don't want you to do extra work. Kind of tell me why it is you chose the tool that you chose. I gave you some options of like EduBlogs. Edmodo is a great blogging platform. Some of you are already using Edmodo. KidBlog, or just your Weebly webpage, just add a blog. You can just, instead of inserting a page, you just insert a blog, and that's what you'll see me model for this week. What would you have your students blog about? So if you're teaching social studies, maybe I'm having blog about why they think the economy is having some trouble in Kansas. I know some of you are from Iowa, but or if I'm in math, maybe it's something I could still probably do the economy and math as well. Or even if you just want the kids to blog about digital citizenship or something like that. And then would you involve parents in the blog if you were doing something in Edmodo? If you give your parents access to it, would you involve them in a blog? How would you grade it? I assume on some type of rubric similar to what we use in the classroom. And what types of digital citizenship might you have to model with your students before you do this? The one thing that I always talk about in professional development is teachers always ask me, what do I do about the kid who puts inappropriate things on there? And I always tell them that before you start a blog, tell them that all you have to do is do a screenshot and send it to their parents. So remembering that what we say on the internet is there, and they're going to be held accountable for what they put on the internet. And maybe just showing them appropriate responses in a blog. You don't just say, yeah, great job. You make sure that you ask another question or something like that. So sometimes we have to teach our kids a little bit about that in some respect. And then you could always, when you create your blog, you could always add a picture. Like maybe for social studies, I might do a political cartoon that they're going to blog about, or maybe a video. Thinking of communications arts, a short video, and maybe I want them to be able to tell me what the plot or the theme was, or something about a character in it if you did something like that. So that's another way, and again, that's what my model is, just a video and then blogging about that. So you might think, oh, I might upload a picture or a cartoon or even a writing prompt or something like that for CA. So this week, pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. I know some of you are already doing some types of blogs out there, and I'm okay if you think that you might start a blog for yourself. I have one that I do for Classroom Technologies. Try and share the link this week with you, and I blog to my staff kind of about different tools and things that are out there, and it goes out in a newsletter format I used to do it every couple weeks. I kind of got off the bandwagon and I'm getting back on that. And I just started that 2 weeks ago, and it goes out in a district newsletter that we send out to our staff. So if you're thinking along those lines that maybe you'd rather blog to adults, I'm okay with that as well. So good luck this week, and like I said, everybody is doing a great job. Questions, please feel free to email me, call, or have me arrange for a Google Hangout or something. Good luck this week. Thanks, guys.